we'll go for time. It's not a big rush, but here's the master lock. It's locked. Here's the it's called a tension wrench. So I'm going to put it in the bottom of the lock here. Ah, yes. And then here's what's called a rake. This is a cheap tool set. And just apply a little bit of pressure on the thing like this. Here, I'll try to show you as I do it. Here, I'll just put a little pressure on it like that. Get in there and start raking. It shouldn't take too long. I did it 3 times in a row. Boom. Fuck yeah. Briq Haus Ltd. Security and Intelligence.